Another top drawer secret is revealed by the Army. Motors are waterproofed with a compound that remains on the confidential list. It was this process that permitted vehicles to roll ashore when landing craft were stopped short of dry land. It contributed in great measure to the success of VE Day. If you think that these ducks are good, just watch the Army magic that transforms jeeps or anything else that rolls into amphibious critters. Air Force pictures show some of the extensive tests that were conducted on the coast of England just before the invasion of Europe. The GI on top is probably acting as a periscope, and if the water gets much deeper, a submarine crew will probably be needed. Another epic chapter is added to the scientific achievement which beat Germany and Japan to their knees.